Okay, is there some sort of magic shield over Denver that's keeping us from getting storms over the last few weeks? Well, no, but there are a couple of reasons why we have been drier than usual over the last few weeks, and also to answer a lot of your questions, why a lot of these storm chances just really haven't worked out over the last few weeks. So first of all, here's a look at some of the numbers. Last month in Denver, we finished with our driest July since 2021, our driest July in 4 years. Nothing too crazy about that, but we did finish with only about a quarter of what we typically get for the full month of July as well. Boulder, same idea. However, and Fort Collins as well. However, Greeley, Colorado Springs, you got the booms. You got a lot of that rain that a lot of other areas did not get. So worth noting that when we're talking about summertime thunderstorms, there are often areas that get a lot of the rain while others don't. It's a hit or miss nature with these sorts of storms this time of year. Final thing I'll leave you with. There are two reasons, though, meteorologically, scientifically, why over the last really week or two, those storm chances just did not work out. Number one, that wildfire smoke really mixing into the picture, that wildfire smoke from fires in Arizona and Utah, that dried out the mid and upper levels of the atmosphere and really kind of inhibited those storms from really getting the juice that they need to get those storms going. Number two is also we had a cap, a lid of warm air above the surface that really kept those storms from sufficiently rising, and also that was a little bit too tough to break through, and the result is that we just didn't get those storms to fully break on out the way that we typically do this time of year. So for what it's worth, two things. One, that lid of warm air above the surface, and two, that wildfire smoke. That's part of the reason why really over the last week or two, those storms just haven't panned out. But no, there's no magic storm shield over Denver.